Hi, my name is Radisha Tucker, and I'll be telling you about my favorite exotic animals. Number 1, the elephant. That is the largest land animal on the planet. They have huge collar legs, a huge head, and flat ears. Sometimes they use their trunk to spray water on them, and they flap their ears to cool them down. They are grayish to brown in color. They mostly live in savannas, grasslands, and forests. They can also live in rainforests and other tropical places. At the zoo in Dallas, you can go up to the fence and pet them. I found that so cool. The elephants in Africa are endangered because poachers are killing them for their tusks and leaving the meat just there. And that harms the elephant and is making the population go down. In the slide, I have a video of the elephant making sounds. My second favorite animal is the giraffe. The giraffe is the tallest land animal. Also, at the zoo in Dallas, you can pay like $3 to feed them lettuce. And when their tongue touch your hand, it feels really weird, but it's a cool experience. The males are called bulls, and they are 18 feet. And the females are called cows, and they are 17 feet. Their tongues are half a meter long. These animals are like really tall. They eat the little leaves out the trees. Also on the slide, I have a video of the giraffe making sounds. Personally, I've never heard the sounds, but hearing them in person would be a very cool experience. They also have 2 little horns on their head, and the male horns are bigger than the female horns. My other favorite animal is a whale, a sperm whale to be exact, the one out of the book Moby Dick. The whale is the largest toothed whale. It has an enormous square head and a narrow lower jaw. They are dark gray and blue and brownish and white patches on their belly. The males can reach to 62 feet and the females reach 39 feet, and they can dive up to 1,150 feet. These whales are really amazing to me because it is not only the sounds they make, but how friendly they are. They don't harm humans. They eat jellyfish and squid. I have a video in the slide of the little clicking sounds they make. Just like we have our own language, they have their own language. A sea turtle. A sea turtle is my favorite animal because it's the largest reptile that lives in the ocean. They only come to shore to lay eggs. With that being said, the males never come to the shore. They have a long paddle, front flippers, and short rear flippers. They have a hard shell, like flat half circle. The smallest recorded sea turtle was 2 feet long and 80 pounds, and the largest recorded sea turtle was 6 feet long and weighed over 2,000 pounds. And they mostly live in salt water. So that's basically the oceans around the world. The sea turtles are an endangered species because they get caught in the nets of the humans and with our trash, along with the pollution and climate change. The population of sea turtles are going down. You can go to the zoo and see the sea turtles and pet the sea turtles, but as far as keeping them as a pet, these aren't a good idea. Unlike the box turtles and land tortoises, these turtles aren't able to put their heads and arms inside their shell. And these turtles mostly eat jellyfish, plankton, and things like that. My other favorite animal is the Canadian geese. They fly, but they migrate between Alaska, Canada, and the United States. They are built between a large duck and a swan. They have a brown back, light beard, and a black head and a black neck. They can range from 4.4 pounds to 14.3 pounds. And they have a giant wingspan up to 6.6 feet. and when they migrate and fly, they fly in a V shape because it coincides with the currents and makes flying a lot easier. In the slide, I have a video of geese sounds. You can go around the parks and hospitals today with water, and you will see "do not feed geese that may get aggressive." I like how aggressive these geese are considering the fact that they are birds, and most birds aren't aggressive at all. And they make this little honking sound, and it's so cool to me. Whenever you see a V shape in the sky, just look up and you may hear the sound of a geese. Those are my favorite animals, my favorite exotic animals that I would love to just go see any day.